How's it? How's it? Sandila here. Carl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Today, we're doing something very special to me. You remember when I was in the Free State visiting Eric on this video where I got to taste the apricots from his mother's garden and all that. Well, yesterday, I received the order of the offcuts from their garden. We've got a few of them here. Oh, la, la. Come on. Let's get them out. Let's get them out. So we've got a few of them here. We've got apricots. We've got peaches. And we've got the pears. So what I will be doing is I will be trying to work on these guys and reactivate these guys and get them to root and make sure that we get trees out of them. Let's go and let me show you how I do that. Let's close this and take this jar here. This jar has brown sugar in it, and you will see what we will do with that. We'll use the brown sugar as a rooting agent. We'll mix it with the rainwater, and that's the first water that these cats will have. So let's go and do this. I am super excited about this because I have been trying to grow well, I do have two pear trees here in my yard, but obviously they from seed and they're not productive yet. And all of these offcuts, they're coming from very, very, very productive trees that are already bearing fruit. So this is where we will be working. I need to set this up, and you'll see how we're going to do this. Yeah, as you can see, I've got this tape is almost finished, so I've got the masking tape, and here my scissors. I've got this container here. So basically what I'll do is I'm going to cut this here like this, almost all around, because we need to put them in here, and I need to poke holes. I need to poke holes in here so that it can drain. There we go. And one more hole. There we go. That will be good for draining. Now I need to go get the soil that we're going to put in here. Wow. Okay, let's go fill this guy with some beautiful soil, or dirt, as you would prefer, or as many would say. So yeah. And we go like this. It's so dry, but this is good soil. Go like that. Go like that. Go like that. As you can see, it's also mixed with coconut pit, so it won't dry quickly. There we go. It's about, let me see, I think that's about good there. Yes, there we go. That's about it there. Good. And now we need to get we need to go work on these guys. Right, so what I do is I take, let's say, take these guys, yeah, First thing I do, I get rid of this here. Get rid of this here. So this is what? This is peach. Yeah. And then I also get rid of this guy here and this guy there. As you can see, I'm carrying them.
Look, my plant. It has grown. But
My.
Ooh,
There we
our
go.
plants are the same height.
There we go. My carrying tool is there is a little bit blunt, and it's there we go. Nice. And let me see. So let me see. This is so we'll have to cut here. There we go. Right. One thing I almost forgot to get is the aloe. Luckily, it's right next to us, and it is. And I do this. You see, I do this like that, indiscriminately so, like that. I do that. Not completely. I don't peel the whole thing completely. And then I do this. See? And up here, plunk that in there, all the way down there. There we go. And again, I go like this. And plunk that all the way down there. All the way down. There we go. Where are those pieces? Here they are. And okay. Then this one, you need to cut the rope. Oh my goodness. My scissors, my pruning, everything of mine seems to be blunt. There we go. Oh man. Okay. So yeah. Again, I'll do this. Do that. And I'll look at, so right there. Cut it off. We go on the aloe. We give it some nice aloe jelly. And we plunk it in there. These guys I might have to go like this here. There we go. So I want them in. I don't want them poking out like that. There we go. Right. There's the other one. There it is. What that is? Peach. This is peach. So we go again. There. there.
We don't need to.
And
Why? I want to go again there.
and
But
we
why
have
have
to
to?
go there. And and let's put it down there. So basically, this is what I'll do with all of these. This is going to be peach. I'll have to do one for apricot, and I'll have to do one for the pears. I did make a video of the other offcuts that Eric brought me from his parents' house that were almost dry. These ones came with his sister. He's got his sister visiting him, by the way, in case you're wondering how I got them. They came with the sister. The sister is visiting him here in Devon. So, yeah. Okay, this is, we need to, boom, there. Okay. Oh. Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. There we go. Now we get water here. I'm putting rainwater in here. Right, let's go get the water. So you'll see I've got rainwater here that we got from the rain. There we go. And we'll have to stir that. And we'll have to water. And then once we water, then we start the sealing process. We start the closing up process. And we will leave it for some time until those parts there start they start sprouting. They start having shoots, leaves, stuff like that. Okay. Let me see. I think my tape, this tape is finished. I have to take the masking tape. There we go. Come on. Come on, tape, work with me. Oh, no. Tape doesn't want to work with me, guys. Come on. There we go. Yes. So, you do this. Like that. Like that. Why are we doing this? We're sealing all the exit points because you want to be as warm as possible in here to prevent these offcuts from drying up and dying completely. There we go. Oh wait, before I do that, I need to take this so that I remember what was what. Put it there. There we go. Give it another one more round. Yes, there we go. So it's protected. Yes, there we go. And I need to make sure that this tape is sticking all around. Where's that stick I was using to steer? Yeah, I need to push this container, pop it there. No, come on. No. Yes, there we go. Good. You need to make sure that your tape is completely sealing the bottle like that. There we go. And we pour some sugar water in there. Pour some sugar water. We pour some sugary water, brown sugar. with rainwater and you close it. Over time, the heat in here is going to create moist, and this is gonna be watery like that one. Let me get that one and show you. So it's sort of like a self-watering process. As you can see this one, you see the water. And if you look, you can see there are leaves coming off there. I don't know if you can see them. There are leaves coming off there. This is the apricot that I got from Eric that was almost dead. So we're reviving it. It's coming around, you know. So, right. Yeah. No, wait. This one. Yeah, so guys, that's exactly how I am going to do the other two of cards as well. But I don't want to make a long video of the same thing. Now you get the process. This is how I do it. So I'm going to be doing the pear and the apricot now, but I won't make like an hour video of the same thing. I've got another bottle like that one. I've got two more bottles like this one, so that I'll be using, doing the same thing. And then over the time, you and I will go through it. I'll show you how it looks like, and you know, you can see the progress, and as it goes, as it grows, as I show you. I didn't show you when I made that apricot dried one because I didn't think of sharing this how I do this, but now here, you know, you can see it, and voila, that's it. That's how I do it. And you can also do it if you have a fruit that you like, you see it somewhere else. Just you can either ask the person that has that fruit tree to do the air laying for you, which I will make a video of sometime, or you ask for off cuts like this and you do exactly what I did and germinate it, get it to root up. Once its root is up, get those leaves, take it off, put it on a pot, grow it, and you have the fruit tree. Otherwise, Sandile here, the cow lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on the video, because it is highly appreciated by me and my family from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching up to now. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, share, and like the video. I am out, and the boys are busy on the trampoline, they're jumping. So we are out. Check us on the next video.